Yoga for sciatica. Severe sciatica can adversely impact the quality of your life. It can be uncomfortable to walk or sit. Sciatica usually affects your buttocks, legs, and back, and can come with a range of different symptoms including tingling, burning, numbing sensation, etc. However, since the pain is caused by the sciatic nerves, yoga can provide relief. Remember that even though yoga cannot treat or cure sciatica, it can provide relief from the pain. To treat sciatica, you must consult a medical health professional. In today's video, we have discussed some yoga poses that can help sciatica pain. Keep watching. What is sciatica and how does yoga help? The sciatica nerves run down our lower back to the buttocks, hips and thighs along the sides of the legs. Sciatica is generally caused by an injury, irritation, or any form of compression to the sciatica nerves or lower vertebrae. Overused, diet, or injured muscles can also result in sciatica pain. The pain caused by sciatica is sharp, throbbing, or even a burning sensation that shoots down the leg. Along with that, one may also experience numbness, tingling, and inflammation. In most cases, sciatica is only felt on either side of the body. According to a study conducted in 2013, yoga poses, especially the Cobra pose and Locust pose, are helpful in relieving the symptoms and pain caused by sciatica. A follow-up study conducted in 2017 concluded that yoga can reduce the use of pain medications, improve limitations in activities caused due to sciatica, and even significantly reduce chronic back pain. Thus, yoga poses can help a person get through excruciating sciatica pain by relieving some of the main symptoms. Yoga asanas for sciatica. Here are 5 yoga asanas that will help manage any pain and discomfort caused by sciatica. Number 1. Child's pose or Balasana. The child's pose is the perfect yoga asana to start with. It warms up your body, stretches your spine, and promotes flexibility and openness in the areas affected by sciatica. How to do it? Start by kneeling on the floor with your knees and sink your hips back onto your heels. Next, extend your arms long in front of you, or you can also rest them by the sides of your body. Allow your torso to relax as you fall heavily into your thighs. Focus on your deep breathing as it will help you tune into your body and release tension. Try to hold this pose for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Number 2. Downward facing dog. The downward facing dog is one of the most essential yoga positions that will help bring your body to alignment, relieving any tightness or pain from your body. It also improves balance. How to do it? Begin on your hands and knees. Press into your hands as you lift your hips towards the ceiling. Next, drop your head so that your chin is all the way down to your chest. Then, bend your knees so that your pelvis is tilted slightly forward. Focus on inhaling and exhaling as you intuitively move your body to perform modifications of this yoga asana. Hold this pose for at least a minute. Number 3. Half moon pose or Ardha Chandrasana. The half moon pose or Ardha Chandrasana stabilizes, strengthens, and balances your body. It improves your flexibility and relieves tension, and stretches your spine, glutes, and lower legs. How to do it? Begin in a triangle standing pose with your right foot in front. Now, bend your right knee deeper so that your weight is on your right foot. Next, bring your left hand to your hip as you slide your left foot forward to reach your right hand to the floor in front of and to the right of your right foot. Next, lift your left leg so that it is parallel to the floor. Rotate your torso and hip as you fix your gaze in front. Try to go deeper as you lift your hand up toward the ceiling and turn your gaze forward. Maintain this pose for at least a minute, after which gently return to the starting position. Repeat the same move on the opposite side too. Number 4. Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. As we mentioned earlier, the Cobra pose or Bhujangasana is one of the most effective yoga asanas that helps manage pain caused by sciatica. It strengthens and stretches your spine by promoting blood flow and circulation. How to do it? Start by lying on your stomach with your hands pressed under your shoulder on the ground. Now, gently squeeze your elbows to your body as you inhale to lift your head, shoulders, and chest. Try to keep your chest open as you slightly bend at your elbows. Try to engage and squeeze your lower back, abdominal muscles, and thighs. Hold up for at least 30 to 45 seconds, after which you can slowly release the pose, take a small pause, and repeat for another 2 to 3 times. Number 5. Locust pose or Salabhasana. Last but not the least, we have the Locust pose or Salabhasana. This yoga asana strengthens your thighs, spine, and glutes. It stabilizes your core and lower back by promoting circulation to the parts of the body. In addition, it also improves flexibility in the hip region. How to do it? Start by lying on your stomach, keeping your fingers interlaced at the back of your spine. Next, slowly lift your chest, arms and head up. You should bring your arms up and away from your body. Go deeper as you raise one leg or both legs up at the same time. Squeeze your glutes, abdominal muscles and lower back as you do so. Hold the pose for at least 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Next, release the pose as you return to the starting position. Relax your body for a few breaths as you gently move your hips from side to side. Repeat this exercise a couple of times.
That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.